Welcome, friends. Keep your vehicles and shop equipment running smoothly with these durable grease guns, designed for quick, clean, and precise lubrication of fittings, bearings, and moving parts. Don't forget to video like and subscribe. Number 1. 7000 PSI Heavy Grip Grease Gun. The 7000 PSI Heavy Duty Pistol Grip Grease Gun Kit is a durable lubrication tool designed for automotive, marine, farm, and machinery maintenance. It features a 14-ounce grease cartridge capacity, a high-pressure die-cast aluminum body, and an 18-inch flexible resin hose for reaching tight spaces with ease. The kit includes a double-handled grease coupler, standard coupler, sharp nozzle, and additional accessories, supporting multiple grease loading methods for versatile use. Number 2. Mini Grease Gun. The Mini Grease Gun 3000 PSI is a compact, heavy-duty lubrication tool designed for automotive, marine, RV, and equipment maintenance. It features a 3000 PSI pistol grip design, two 3-ounce grease cartridges, a 12-inch flexible hose, and a reinforced 4-jaw coupler for secure, leak-resistant grease application in tight spaces. The kit also includes a rigid extension tube, sharp nozzle, extension adapter. Number 3. Professional Pistol Grip Grease Gun. The Professional Pistol Grip Grease Gun is a heavy-duty lubrication tool engineered for automotive, agricultural, industrial, and marine maintenance. It delivers up to 6,000 psi of pressure and features an extra-long 27-inch reinforced flexible hose for easy access to deep or hard-to-reach grease fittings. With a 14-ounce cartridge capacity, two-way loading, standard cartridge or bulk suction fill, a chrome-plated cold-drawn steel barrel, and an anti-aging O-ring for leak-resistant performance. Number 4. Seesii Electric Grease Gun. The Seesii Electric Grease Gun is a high-performance battery-powered cordless grease gun designed for fast, effortless lubrication of tractors, heavy equipment, automotive, agricultural, and industrial machinery, delivering up to 5.8 ounces per minute grease flow with an auto lock-on trigger. It includes a 48-inch flexible hose, standard and quick-release couplers, a needle dispenser, and a pointed tip for reaching hard-to-access grease fittings. Number 5. Smart Car Air Freshener. The Smart Car Air Freshener with Starlight is a rechargeable aroma diffuser that keeps your vehicle smelling fresh with 200 milliliters fragrance oil refills in cologne, ocean, new car smell, and mahogany teakwood scents. It features smart auto on-off motion detection, 3 adjustable mist modes for customizable fragrance intensity, and a star projection ambient light that enhances your car's interior atmosphere. Its quiet, leak-resistant design, long-lasting rechargeable battery. Number 6. Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener. The Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener cologne scent uses advanced ultrasonic mist technology to deliver a smooth, natural fragrance throughout your vehicle without the harshness of traditional air fresheners. It features smart auto on-off operation with a built-in motion sensor that activates when your car starts moving, a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 2 months per charge, and adjustable fragrance intensity to match your preference. Hello, friends. That brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a like. See you in the next video.